Okay. I'm right here. I haven't gone anywhere now. Better melody. Like some soft. I don't want to practice to be a frisky girl. I just... that music is just... Oh, Mickey. I almost forget Mickey. Come to me. Because you just so right for me. I'm waiting for the next music. Can you just play something nice? What's coming next? If you have a great song, I'm gonna look really good for it. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, I could only keep on dreaming if the music stay like this, and I will love to be cheered. Oh, you changed it again. You do it intentionally. Okay. What are you gonna play now? Then I have to wait to listen. This is not my favorite one. I don't like this one. It changes silence, but it's not mind grabbing. Ooh, camera. Some music that make me just. Don't you have some soft song? Talk to me with a melody, and I can feel the music, and I just try to sing along by ear. Oh, this one is good. You just don't want me to sing that song that I love so well. Without melody, a girl can do no wrong. She's just in a right mood when the music is just so right. But you playing games. I need someone who played a song that I like, so I could just be a good girl. Anything else? You have a better one. Oh wait.